Hey Naran, what's up? You seem pretty upset.
Nothing. I have a job interview tomorrow and I have nothing to wear for it and I'm very anxious about it.
Well, I'm about to head to the Success Closet. Why don't you come with me?
What's the Success Closet?
It's a program that's run by student government. They take in a bunch of donated clothes and they give them out to students for professional events such as interviews.
Did it cost any money?
No, it's absolutely free.
Okay, well, let's go and try it.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
The Nash Community College Success Closet is a free program run by the NCC Student Government Association. When you arrive, an SGA representative will accompany you to the Success Closet. Any faculty, staff, or student that would like to make use of the service should stop by the Hawk's Nest. The SGA rep will allow you to look through the many racks of professional clothes in order to find your perfect outfit. Don't forget to tell your friends about this valuable service. It's available to any of our Nash Community College family that may be in need. Donations of new professional clothing can also be dropped off at the Hawk's Nest.
Perfect.
Well, thank you guys for coming. Come back if you need anything else.
Thank you so much. Have a good one. I'm so excited for that interview, man.
Pretty easy, right?
Yes. It's awesome.
For more information about the Nash Community College Success Closet, you can contact Kara Deans at kcdeans568@nashcc.edu or call 252-451-8218.